guys, it's Miss Kraut. Just wanted to go over your homework with you for today. Today is Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday the 20th. Okay, so I'm going to do a few problems with you for Wednesday. I'm going to do number 1 because that seems to be kind of hard. So we have 718 and 261 thousandths times something is going to give me 7,182 and 61 hundredths. Okay, so what happened here? You got to compare where the decimal is. Right here is the decimal. It looks like it went to the right one time, right? So if it went to the right one time, then wouldn't that be times 10? So 718 and 261 thousandths times 10 is this. Well, let's check it to see. So if I times that by 10, it's going to be 718.261. If I go over one place, then that's the answer is 7182.61, which is correct. Okay? So that's what you're looking for. Where did the decimal change? It changed by going to the right. All right. So number 1, the answer is 10. Number 3, number 2 is a good one. Number 3, rounding to the nearest tenth. Let's do number 3. Number 3 says round to the nearest tenth, and the answer is the problem is 419 and 91 hundredths. I'm rounding to the nearest tenth. So whatever it says that you're rounding to, you underline that place and then circle next door. So my answer is the 1 is wimpy. So my answer is going to be 419 and 9/10. You're going to stop where it says, okay? So for number 3, the answer is 419 and 9/10. All right. Number 5, I'll do it right here. Number 5, I'll do that one with you, says 1 times 10 plus 8 plus 4 times 1/10 plus 9 times 1 over 100 plus 4 times 1 over 1,000. Wow, that's a long one. Okay, so let me do this first. 1 times 10 is 10 plus 8 plus 4 times 1/10 is 4/10 plus 9 times 1 over 100 is 9 hundredths. And then 4 times 1 over 1,000 is going to be plus 4 thousandths. So if I add all of this up, I'm going to have this is 18. I have 18 plus decimal 4. So right there's my decimal 09, decimal 004. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to fill these with zeros so I don't get confused. So this is 4, this is 9, this is 4. Bring down my decimal, and then I have 18. So the answer is 18 and 494 thousandths. Okay, so for the answer for number 5 is 18 and 494 thousandths. All right, let's do number 8. Yeah, let's do number 8. It looks hard. Okay, number 8, we have 8 and 45 hundredths, 8 and 91 hundredths, 8. And I'm going to go ahead and put my zeros there. That way I don't get confused. And then I have 8 and 4/10. But I'm going to add the 0 so that I can look down and very easily go from small to large, okay? So that's not going to tell me what's the smallest. This one will tell me which one's the smallest based on this right here. That's what you're comparing. So C is the smallest. So now I can mark that out. Now what's the next smallest? One of these, okay? So that's going to be the biggest. So I'm going to go ahead and put that last. I know that B is going to be last, right? So I can go ahead and mark out B. Okay, so now we have 8 and 45 hundredths or 8 and 40 hundredths. So we know that D is going to be next because that 5 is bigger than the 0. And then so D and then A. So it should be C, D, A, B. Okay, now we're going to do number 10. Number 10 says answer as a mixed number if possible. So I have 22 over 5 minus 7 over 3. Okay, the first thing I need to do is get a pencil that actually works. Okay. I'll borrow this pencil from somebody. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I determined already that 5 and 3 are both prime numbers, so I can multiply them together to get my least common denominator. Okay, so that's 15 is my least common denominator. Now I'm going to ask myself, how did I get from 3 to 15? That's going to be multiplying by 5 over 5. You're really multiplying by 1, but you're showing it as 5 over 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. And then here you're going to multiply it by 3 over 3. 22 times 3, I have to do that on the side. Okay, that's 66. Okay, so now I'm going to do 66 minus 35. And that's going to be 31 over 15. But you're not done because the directions say answer as a mixed number. Right now, your answer is an improper fraction. So you're going to have to turn that back in to a mixed number. I know that 15 goes into 31 2 times, and 2 times 15 is 30, and with 1 left over. So I'm going to take my 2 because I have a whole 2. It went in a whole 2 times. My denominator is 15. See, I already said that. I said my denominator. So I have 15. And then this number, your remainder, is how many are left out of 15. So that's going to be 1. Final answer, 2 and 1/15. All right, guys, I hope you have a super good night. Sorry, my homework video is a little bit late, but I know you guys will forgive me, and I'll see you tomorrow where we're going to vote for our perfect attendance party and what we're going to do. Bye.